Morning, London! So, ayan, mag-check out na kami sa aming accommodation, guys. Kasi pupunta na kami sa Chichester. Kukunin namin ang van, yung camper van. So, it's a weird weather in London. Ang init sa loob. It was hot inside the room. And then now, it drops down. So, ngayon parang malamig. Buti na lang kamo, nag-double ano ako. Ayan. So, this is my outfit for today. Casual lang. May building construction sila, guys. So, pasensya na kayo sa ingay, no? It's a bit noisy.
So, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, guys. Andito kami ngayon sa Victoria Station. It's a big station. And meron din sila ditong board kung saan nakikita kung anong schedule ng train ang ang boarding. Diba? Tapos may naglilibre pa dito ng mineral water. It's 1.5 hour journey, guys, from London to Barnham Station or Chichester.
I'm currently waiting kay Tiyoy, guys, kasi kinukuha pa niya yung key para sa aming camper van. Umaaraw siya, guys, pero it's 19 degrees, so medyo parang para sa akin malamig na, no? But it's okay naman. Nadaanan ko yung bahay ng tatay ko, yung Arundel Castle, kasi lang ako nag-train lang ako kanina, so hindi ko napasok yung bahay namin. Pero it's okay, magagala ako. Pinayagan naman ako ni Daddy Arundel. Oh my god, this is so big! So there's the handbook. And I'm gonna give you a tour later, guys. Later na kasi. Medyo we're busy. And so I'll give you a tour later.
In 300 meters around the Bloomington.
Hi, guys! We are having our dinner. It's 8 o'clock at night. At dito kami ngayon sa at ano pa siya, maliwanag, it's still light out there. I'm gonna show you our neighbors. We have a lot of neighbors here. So dito kami ngayon sa Cornwall Castle camping site. Yes. Tingnan nyo, guys. mga kapitbahay namin. So, yan yung kapitbahay namin, guys. So, we are in Corfe Castle at the moment. Pero
I've been
bukas pa
driving
kami.
for 15 hours.
So, bukas pa kami
It's freezing cold outside, so that's why we're in here now, right? If you're gonna travel, go to Europe. It's warmer, and drink lots of red wine. Right? Happy days.
Cheers.
Cheers, Bruno. If you're there, Bruno.
Yes.
Happy days, Bruno. Rachel, all the other bloody reprobates.
Cheers. So, we are having ito salmon and I don't know what they call that, tinapa. And this salad. That's our dinner, guys. Teyoy has just driven 5 hours in total, I think. Ay, nako. Our first stop sa pool. I was so disappointed with that place. There's nothing to see. But, yeah. I'm more excited in Corfe Castle. So, tomorrow, we are going to go and see the ruins. That's it for tonight. See you tomorrow, guys.